What's up everybody? I'm alive and we've got a major update at VDP for y'all. We've had some major rain delays, but we've been able over the past 4 days to build 9 corners, 11 rollers, and almost 700 feet of trail. To protect the trees within the corridor, we decided to raise the tread surface anywhere from 4 to 36 inches in some of the corners, and that has resulted in almost 400 trips in the skid steer down and back to our dirt source. You may be thinking how inefficient it is to run a skid steer down and back almost 400 times. Yes, we could have used a big payloader or a bigger shovel, but we needed the skid to help shape our berms and allow for easier access in tighter corridors. We have a handful of things that we are still checking off our bucket list in the coming week. First off is to touch up the jump line here and make sure it's running smooth, knowing we've had machines back and forth day in and day out. We also need to ensure that the backs of our corners are properly out sloped. That way LPR can come in here and continue to mow this beautiful park. We've been operating as a crew of 2, but we want to talk to you. If you see us out here working, stop by, say hello, please. I'll get you guys some stickers, some t-shirts, maybe a water bottle, a few koozies even. Stop by, please.